how to undo Instagram not interested videos and posts. So there are actually two ways to do that. First is you go here to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is to actually choose a post or video that you want to hide. Let's say this one. All you have to do is to tap on the three dots here and then tap on not interested. Now if you actually tap on that, you can actually switch it to undo, and basically you have successfully undo the Instagram not interested videos and posts. Now let's say, and there the other way is to go here to your profile here. On the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there. You'll see your profile icon, tap on that, and then on the upper right you will see 3 dash lines. Tap on that and tap on your activity. Now here on your activity, you will see a lot of options, right? What I want you to do next is to tap on interactions. And here you will see 5 different options. You will see comments, likes, stickers, responses, reviews, and of course, not interested. Tap on not interested here, and you will be able to see your not interested there. For example, this one. Let's say you want to undo that. All you have to do is to tap on select and tap this and tap on remove. You have successfully undo your Instagram not interested videos and posts, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.